This is a video tour of a construction video of Ben and Tegan's home. The tilers are in at the moment. Sorry about the noise, but there's guys cutting the footpath and the curb for the driveway, which is probably going in this week. This is a Capri 200 modified to about 196 square metres. This is the front foyer with a nice plaster shelf. 1200 wide timber stained frosted glass with grab handle front door. The client's changed the design to put the main patio or terrace out the front. That's the guy out there doing the concrete cutting of the curb. So it's got this nice front terrace. This block is elevated, which gives a nice aspect to the front yard. That's the perimeter termite treatment. It's retreatable about every 5 years. That has to happen to ensure termite treatment. We're one of the few builders that do that. It's by a company called Guard. The tilers are in at the moment, not today, it's Saturday. This is the living room, fixed glass window. It's the media room through there. The client's going to put plantation shutters on there, bifold plantation shutters. This is the kitchen, nice island bench. The walk-in pantry. Fridge space there on the right. It's got the waterfall edge. Laminex. Pretty much the standard sort of kitchen. It's got a microwave shelf, elevated microwave shelf there. Stove is going to go in there. We'll go through and have a look at the bedrooms now. It's got 3 bedrooms and a 4th bedroom that is basically doubles as the media room. Another Morcraft home next door. It's the Coopers. Really nice Rhode Island 168 or 164, I think. Doors have been painted, ready to be hung. The Capri 200's got 2 large linen cupboards. There's one there, there's another bedroom down there, another linen cupboard here. That's the toilet in through there with the skewer glass. The bath here has a podium, so you've got room around the edge of the bath for some candles or rest your arms. And there'll be a window, frosted glass windows there. There'll be a full width mirror going there. No light fittings or light points being put in yet. The green is a fiberglass that's used to do a waterproof seal. That goes around before the tiles are laid on, or around the recessed shower shelf. That'll be tiled with a feature tile. Good sized media room and a recess there for a cabinet. And there's an open courtyard here. Client did a retaining wall at the back there about 1 metre high. It's got double cavity sliding doors in the media room. This is the main bedroom I'm in now. Opens out onto the courtyard. Double hung windows either side of the main bed. And through here, this is a walk-in row. Late in the afternoon, I've just closed the display home at Brightwater. Cavity sliding door there. This is the ensuite. It's got double vanity basins, frosted double hung window. And tiled shower shelf recess. Normal hob, it's a corner shower. We'll go outside and have a look at the front elevation. It's very attractive front facade. It's going to get a bit noisy because the guy's still cutting the curb. He'll probably finish this as I finish this tour. the close-up of the perimeter treatment, termite treatment. That's another Morcraft home, a Rhode Island 168, another Morcraft home, about 168 Florida next to it. We've got 3 Morcraft homes together here. So that's a construction progress video of the Capri 200 modified to about 196 square metres.